Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a powerful strategy to improve your trading winning rate, which name is volume. In last video, I represent how to use volume to identify trend and reversals. You can click here to watch it. But today, I will give you a more strong strategy about volume to maximize your profits. Before we start, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. Let's get into today's video. Volume is the most important indicator in all of trading. But it doesn't indicate the direction of a trend. A volume is basically like the fuel or the energy. If volume is low, meaning that the momentum is weak. If the volume is high, meaning the momentum is strong. In last video, we learned how the volume influenced the trend and the reversal. You can click here to watch my last video. We all know volume is not a precise entry and exit tool. However, with the help of some volume indicators, you can generate decent entry and exit signals by combining them with price action or other tools. So in this video, I'm going to reveal a volume indicator that I personally use, which is the volume oscillator. If you open the volume oscillator on TradingView, this is what it looks like. There is a plot line and a zero line in the middle. Before you use volume oscillator on your daily trading, you should put your settings as 9 and 21. That makes your indicator more specific. If volume is strong, volume oscillator is high. If volume is weak, volume oscillator would go downside. So this is how you read volume oscillator. The good strategy that you can combine with volume is with simple price action. Here is the Apple chart, and as you can see, the price moved inside a range here, meaning you can draw support and resistance line here. When the price was trading on a range, we can see the volume is relatively low. Now look at what happened. The price broke out of the range area downward, while the volume started going up, indicating an increase in selling pressure to the downside. So this is a good opportunity to take a sell position. Let's look another example. Here we have Eura's day chart. As you can see, prices went down to this level and up again, making this a key support line. As prices went back to this level again, we spotted a bullish engulfing pattern, which is a bullish signal. And the volume oscillator is also increasing, which means this is a good opportunity to take a buy position. So the key to have a profitable trading strategy is making sure that all the signals are aligned. You cannot simply take a buy position because a bullish engulfing formed. You want to look another reliable indicator like volume oscillator. So that's how you combine volume with price action. Now I'm going to give you a bonus strategy using another volume indicator called money flow index. How the MFI works is very simple. If the line crosses above the high line, meaning that the price is overbought and is more likely to reverse to the downside. And if the line crosses below the low line, meaning the price is considered oversold and is more likely to reverse to the upside. But like I just said, you want to look another reliable indicator. In this case, we also using support and resistance. So let's look this example. Here is Meta. As we can see, prices approaches this level here, and it started to reverse, making this a resistance level. And now that prices are back at the resistance level again, this time displaying a fake out, where a candle went up here, and closes again below here. Then next day close as a red candle. If you know basic candlestick patterns, you will know that this is a shooting star, which is a bearish pattern. Also, the money flow index is at the overbought level, which further confirms that the price is heading towards the downside. So this is a good opportunity to sell out. Let's look at another example. Here we have Apple day chart. As you can see, when prices hits this level, it reverses downwards, making this a key resistance level. So as prices approaches this level again, we can see slight momentum to the downside, while the money flow index is at the overbought level, making this a good opportunity to take a sell position. So I just revealed to you the best strategies that you can use with two volume indicators. In next video, I will tell you more strategies to help improve your winning rate. Be sure to subscribe my channel and don't miss it.